whether we build systems or we have, AI is there at a minimum level, at least starting at what we are having, and based on that, we can look at share some practical, viable governance frameworks that inventory tying up to controls, monitoring, review cadence. These are the pointers that we can look at, and that's where the whole structure starts because everything starts with the paper, right, Padmini? When we start, we don't go into bring a system directly and say, today I'll implement
No,
everything and then we will think about technology. Because from a
no.
architectural standpoint, if you really look at, we start putting at
Yes.
a table top discussion first where we sit and write the designs, then we say this is how it is, and now we have tools which give that flow. But if you really look at, the tabletop exercise was the first exercise that we used to look at, where we say what is that we are going to put as a governance, what is the minimum thing that we will put, which tool will be we will not tool we talk about tools itself, we will talk more about how a framework should be built, what is the inventory needed,
Correct.
and what is that we are tying
Correct.
up, what controls this inventory, and how is the inventory going to be updated is what we'll talk about. Then we see if 4 or 5 things are implemented, how do we monitor them, and once the monitoring is done and we find some faults, how is the review cadence happening. So that's the structure, I think, what we can bring in when we start. Governance isn't what we said is paperwork again, right? So it's how speed becomes safe is what we are saying.